Hey guys, I'm Eric,
and Jen's Excellent Adventure.
and this week we are at Tomlinson Run, which is in New Cumberland, West Virginia.
First time here, first time getting our park in West Virginia, so we'll get our sticker, but so far I'm enjoying this park.
Yes, nice campground. It's kind of at the top of a hill, so there's a little bit of a slope in the back. You can't really tell on the video here, but
yeah, we'll give you a tour of our site. It's pretty nice, and we'll give you a little tour of some of the campground too.
Yeah, ton of trees.
Yeah, very wooded.
Yeah,
very pretty.
Yeah. So far, I mean, the staff that's here, I mean, they've been super friendly.
Yeah, super nice. Even people, everybody just walking by, everybody's so friendly and so nice.
Yeah.
We got free ice cream, apparently, for the friends of the park did ice cream tonight, so we got free ice cream. That was nice.
And not like freezer burn ice cream. They actually like scoop some good ice cream.
What are we gonna do? So I think we're gonna try and kayak tomorrow. There's a big lake here, and I don't know,
explore the area a little bit since we've never been here before, and
and we'll take you with us.
Yeah, see what happens.
Yep. So we'll catch up with you at the end.
Alrighty.
Bye.
Bye.
lost. I'm like, what the f am I doing with my life? Like, I'm not where I'm supposed to be. Until I met you, I don't wake up and I feel like...
The lights are on in the house, but there's no one around. I form the words with my mouth, though I can't hear a sound except a knock on the door. It's probably nothing, I'm sure. It never is anymore. But you saw something in me I've been dying to find, and I thought it'd be missing for the rest of my life. But the more that you're near me, the less that it hides. I think the little life we dreamed about seems nice. I think we got the meaning of it right. You're stitching all the seams of me uptight.
Hey guys, we're back. We had a nice weekend, short weekend, but we had a great day exploring yesterday. We went kayaking. It's a nice little lake here. What else do we do?
They do have like paddle boat type rental things you can do if you want.
Yeah, you can rent. We didn't really look into that, but they do have that available. Explored.
See a lot of people fishing.
Yeah, a lot of people fishing, but it was nice because it was a pretty lake. It's kind of small, but wasn't busy or anything, you know, just people, a lot of families fishing around the edges, and families out on the paddle boats. We went to see the dam. They have an overlook, Crestview Overlook. It was about 10 minutes from the campground.
Yeah, thanks Ben for giving us that tip.
So it was kind of neat to see the big dam, and there's a big lock there for the boats to go through, so it was cool.
Yeah.
What was it? Took a bike ride around the campground.
Yeah.
It's a pretty campground, only 50 sites.
A lot of trees.
Lots of trees. We've got a pretty big site here. The only thing is just kind of slope, but other than that, it's a big site. Campers level over there, so that wasn't
we're
an
site
issue,
18. I think 11 is probably the best site here. It goes way back. There's a big grassy area. A lot of these sites don't have grass. If you want to, do a tent, you're going to be setting up on the gravel.
Yeah, or closer to the road. But other than that, I mean, it's really pretty. Lots of trees. And we really don't have any neighbors here. What else? We had ice cream. We got free ice cream when we came in, so that was really nice. Today we had breakfast. Saturday and Sunday they do breakfast. It was like $8 for a gigantic, huge plate. None of us ate it all.
Biscuits and sausage gravy and potatoes and
everything.
It was good.
All kinds of stuff. However you want it, they'll cook it for you. I don't know. That's about it. It was a short weekend, but we enjoyed it. It's a pretty park. Glad we came. Got our West Virginia sticker.
Yep. And on the way home, we're going to stop and see the world's largest teapot.
Yep. So we'll have some pictures of that.
Yeah.
I guess that's about it.
Yeah. Time to head home.
Yep. Stay safe in your travels.
Keep between the mustard and the mayo.
Bye, guys.